Forget what you know about electric trucks. Because the 2025 Bollinger B2 is rewriting the rules, built tough, built bold, and built for America. This blacked-out beast isn't about flash, it's about function. Clean lines, no nonsense. Just pure EV muscle with military-grade looks. While others stay on the pavement, the Bollinger B2 climbs mountains. Real terrain, real torque, real American grit, crafted like a tank, every inch screams durability. From its aluminum body to its lifted stance, this is EV toughness in its purest form. Even when the clouds roll in, the B2 keeps going. Charging ahead with raw electric power, and absolutely zero emissions. Out in the wild, no lights, no problem. This thing owns the night with high-beam LED fury and a heart that doesn't quit. The B2 doesn't just drive, it dominates. Jumps, dust, chaos, it eats it all and asks for more. Inside, minimal, modern, and mission-ready. Everything you need, nothing you don't. It's built like a cockpit for the modern explorer. Snow, ice, mountains. This isn't a mall crawler, it's a full-blown electric conqueror. One that laughs at winter. Rain, storms, lightning, bring it on. The B2 doesn't back down. It's not just a truck. It's a storm on four wheels. Made in America, built for the bold, the 2025 Bollinger B2, this is EV freedom like you've never seen before.